Hi, my name's Hannah and today I'm going to be talking to you about the science behind Crystal Retinal. Crystal Retinal is a next generation vitamin A innovation with stabilised crystal encapsulated retinaldehyde. Retinaldehyde is a rare form of vitamin A that is even more powerful than retinol, known to many as the gold standard in anti-aging ingredients. In fact, retinaldehyde is closer in power to the prescription-only form of vitamin A called retinoic acid, but without the infamous side effects. Reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 4 weeks, Crystal Retinal visibly renews and resurfaces the complexion. The peach-coloured serum sinks effortlessly into skin to nurture and smooth, leaving the skin strengthened, hydrated and ready for overnight rejuvenation. We provide retinaldehyde in 4 different strengths: 0.01% in Crystal Retinal 1, 0.03% in Crystal Retinal 3, and you get the picture with Crystal Retinal 6 and 10. Our lowest strength gives the opportunity for very sensitive skins to get started on the retinaldehyde ladder, but most users will start on a Crystal Retinal 3 and work their way up the ladder, slowly increasing strength. Combined in Crystal Retinal with hyaluronic acid, glycerin and vitamin E, the skin is left hydrated at every level, delivering a visibly supple, even-toned and most importantly, a more youthful looking complexion. With incredible age-defying power, we would always recommend retinaldehyde to anyone looking to target visible signs of aging. It also boasts direct, powerful antibacterial properties targeting blemish-causing bacteria for visibly clearer skin. This makes Crystal Retinal the most effective form of vitamin A for people struggling with blemishes. After cleansing in the evening, massage around 2 pumps of Crystal Retinal across the face, neck and décolletage. Allow to absorb before applying your moisturiser. Crystal Retinal application should be phased in over time and only used in the evening. Use twice a week for the first 2 weeks, every other night for the next 2 weeks and then every night from then on. And always remember to wear sunscreen the following morning when using Crystal Retinal.